Many dozens of Rohingya people, including children, were killed in an artillery and drone attack that targeted civilians as they tried to flee Myanmar last week. Civilians were trying to escape violence in Mongda town, Rakhine State, by crossing the Naf River into Bangladesh when they were targeted last Monday. Videos shared on social media, which appeared to have been taken in the aftermath of the attack, showed bodies and bags strewn across the ground. Nay San Lawin, the co-founder of the Free Rohingya Coalition, who spoke to survivors, said the victims had traveled from villages including Maung Ni, Myoma Tong and Myoma Kayan Dan to try to cross the border. The drone attacks began at about 5 p.m. the same day, he said. 3 to 4 dozen drone bombs were dropped there. They are saying at least more than 200 were killed and around 300 injured. There is nobody to collect the dead bodies. Everyone is running to save their lives. Some are already in Bangladesh. Nay San Lawin said they believed more than 200 people had been killed. A survivor who spoke to Associated Press said 150 people had been killed and many others wounded. The Iraqi army, one of the armed groups seeking to overthrow the junta, has seized large areas of Rakhine State from the military in recent months. The militia and Myanmar's military blamed each other for the attack. Activists said they believed the Iraqi army was responsible, allegations the group denied. The activists said that for months the group had been targeting Rohingya people with killings, village torchings and forcible recruitment of young men. Rahim, a witness to the attack who asked not to give his real name, told the drones flew from a village that was under the control of the Iraqi army, and repeatedly struck civilians.